In this video, I am going to tell you 3 secrets on how to achieve guaranteed top ranks in IIT JEE. Even if you have not been a very good scorer until now, and even if you have been unable to focus in the last 1 year. Keep tuned until end to know how can you get in touch with me or my team and learn how to live up to your potential. Every year, 10 lakh students appear for IIT JEE. They appear with a dream in their eyes that yes, I am going to be the next CEO of Apple, Google, Microsoft, or I am going to find something big like Flipkart or Zomato. And yes, this exam has this potential. It can change the finances of you and your family for the rest of your life. And it can generate such social awe in the society that everybody looks you like an inspiration. But the fact of the situation remains that out of every 1,000 students who will appear for this exam, only 15 are going to make it. And out of those 15 students, only one will make into the most coveted computer science program of IITs. The results of these 50 students will be published and celebrated like anything. But the fact of the situation remains that 950 students were unable to make it. The system does not work for 95% of the students, and that is like a huge percentage. Working for offline coaching institute for around 10 years as IIT JEE Maths faculty, I used to question that can something be done for these 950 students. And then I had a tryst with destiny. I was teaching this very small group of 5 students in a batch, and I discovered 3 secrets, and using these 3 secrets I was able to send 4 of these 5 kids into IIT, and one of them scored All India rank 28. And MIT research shows that learning in small groups is at least 2 times more effective than learning in a conventional coaching institute. There are 3 very specific reasons why learning in small group works. The first is we can customize the understanding of a student by using an example that the student connects with. For an example, if a student is very much interested in cricket, then maybe in probability an example of cricket can be given to make him understand the concept. The second important reason is the technique, the problem solving technique. Now this can be achieved better because when you give a question in a very small batch, it is possible to check the problem solving technique of a student by taking a response out of it. And the third and the most important point is the mindset. So you become a mathematician by developing a mindset of a mathematician, and you become an artist by thinking like an artist. Now this process of copying the mindset or understanding the mindset of a teacher becomes very strong when you're interacting with the teacher more, and that happens in a small group. There's a myth among students that you need to have a lot of knowledge to clear IIT JEE. But the fact of situation remains that ultimately you have to write paper of 9 hours, 3 hours of mains and approximately 6 hours for advance, in which you are going to solve 75 plus 120 questions to clear IIT JEE. Now the primary skill that is required to clear this exam is problem solving skill, because that is what you are going to do in the exam. But most of the time of a student goes into learning content. So it becomes very important to know what to practice, how to practice, and track those practice. So if you are able to track how many questions are you solving every day, what kind of questions are you solving every day, what kind of mistakes are you doing, tracking that practice will get you ahead in the race, because that is the single most important skill that is required to clear this exam. Behind every great ranker, there is a great mentor. A lot of students come with a lot of potential for IIT JEE preparation, but not all of them have a great mentor behind them. And mentoring becomes very important because this is a very high performance kind of an exam where you are in tremendous amount of pressure to perform at every point of time. So if you're not doing the right kind of things at right point of time, or you're unable to develop the skill set that is required at every point of time in this exam preparation, then you will lose momentum after a certain point of time and you will not be able to live up to your potential. So it is very important to have somebody besides you who is able to give you emotional support and intellectual guidance and skills that are required to clear this exam. So based on these 3 secrets and a combined teaching experience of around 50 years, we have come up with a program called Result Guarantee Program. This Result Guarantee Program works on the 3 secrets that we have already discussed. We teach in very small group of one student or 5 students. Then we track the practice of students, give them tangible targets of problems to be achieved every day. We take those submissions, we check them. And the third is basically we mentor students. There is an emotional and an intellectual support system for students who have a better strategy to work smartly to clear this exam. Now, if you are here just for the 3 secrets, I have given you the recipe. It is a recipe for a short success into IIT JEE exam. But if you want more, a assured guaranteed way to IITs, all you need to do is apply now, fill in the details, and one of our team members will get in touch with you and book a one-on-one session with me or one of my team members. Akshat Prakash was able to crack into the world's best computer science program in CMU USA by learning in one-on-one system. If you want similar kind of success for you, apply now. Ayush was able to score All India rank 28 by learning in small groups and tracking his practice. If you want similar kind of results for you, apply now. Rafi came to us just 21 days before the exam and we were able to quadruple his results. Imagine what we can do with you in a matter of 6 months, 1 year and 2 years. If you want such kind of miraculous results for you, apply now.